Friends, today's fashion review highlights a 50-plus Western lady whose style perfectly demonstrates that elegance only becomes stronger with time. The moment you see this outfit, you notice how well the dress matches her personality. It feels refined, confident, and effortlessly stylish. The design is simple yet sophisticated, proving that a well-chosen dress does not need excessive details to make a strong impression. What really stands out is the way the outfit fits her. It looks tailored, comfortable, and incredibly flattering, creating a polished overall appearance. The fabric drapes beautifully and gives the dress a premium feel, while the color selection adds freshness and charm to the entire look. Guys, her fitness deserves special recognition as well. Maintaining such a balanced and healthy figure after 50 is a reflection of dedication and a positive lifestyle. Because of that fitness, the dress sits naturally and enhances the overall silhouette without appearing forced or overly styled. Another thing to admire is her confidence. She wears the outfit with ease, making the look feel authentic rather than simply fashionable. The combination of graceful styling and physical fitness creates a presence that immediately attracts attention in the most positive way. This is a great example of how mature fashion can remain modern while still preserving class and sophistication. Many younger fashion enthusiasts could learn from this approach, where comfort, quality, and confidence are valued just as much as current trends. Overall, this look delivers everything you would want from a stylish outfit: elegance, balance, fitness, and timeless appeal. It is a wonderful reminder that great fashion has no age limit and that confidence always completes the look.